I recommend you do this style on freshly washed and deep conditioned hair to really lay it down. I mean, you don't have to, but your hair smells and feels good when you do, so why not? Next, choose your part. I do this now so that when I add my products later, my hair has already got a chance to naturally set in the direction that I want it to go in. Starting with that H2O, going in with some leave-in and a cream and some oil. That's how I moisture baby. LCO, nothing more, nothing less. I mean, you could be an LOC kind of girl, but you know, do what works for your hair. Because I tend to wear this style for about 2 to 3 days, you want to make sure you've got some long-lasting moisture in there. Using a detangling tool of your choice, lightly detangle your hair and mold it in the direction that you're going to wear your ponytail. So when I say lightly detangle, I mean don't go ham and try to fully detangle your hair from the roots to the ends. Preferably keep to the ends of your hair. Once you've done this, you can choose your favorite gel and apply it. Apply it from your roots downwards, mainly your roots, because that's what we want to lay. After this, you can go in with your detangling tool if you feel confident, or just get your slick brush and brush in that gel, mold it again, mold it some more and some more until you're satisfied with how it looks. Here's me going in with a slick brush. Ain't nothing like a slick brush. I mean, who doesn't use a slick brush? If you don't use a slick brush, you gotta let me know in the comment section. And if you don't use a slick brush, what do you use? Like, what do you actually use? Once you're happy with the shape and where your ponytail is in place, add your hairband or scrunchie, whatever works for you. You see that? We're gonna do them edges. Well, the best to my ability. I love edges, but I'm not really the best to do them. I mean, I keep mine uniform and all that, but when it comes to the swoops and the swirls, I can never really get it right. Like, let me know if your edges have to be done. And what age did you learn to slay them? Because I'm still learning. This step is optional. I like to add a bit of olive oil when I'm done because it gives my hair that shine. Oh. Last step, add your headscarf. We need that pressure for at least 5 minutes because that's what's going to keep our hair laid all day long. And voila, you're done.